Okay, very good morning, guys. Okay, so actually, we have developed our application. So this is our project. This one, right? MVC Dage project. Okay. Dage project. Fine. So we incorporated all the functionalities here. So what I want to do is I want to make my application public. I want to make my application public so that everyone can use my application. I repeat, I want to make my application public so that everyone can use the application. I want to give it public access to each and everyone. If that is the case, what you require to do is you just require to host your application on a public server, any public server, on any public server. So many public servers here. GoDaddy, it's a public server. You can host your applications there. In the starting classes, I opened the GoDaddy site and shown you. There you have options. From Microsoft, we have Azure, and from Google, we have GCP. From Amazon, we have AWS. All these are public servers you can use for hosting your applications. I repeat, all these are public servers. You can use them for hosting your applications. You can use all these public servers for hosting your particular applications actually. Is it clear what I'm telling you? So all these are the public servers only. So now what we require to do is let us use Azure as a server for hosting our application. Azure. Why Azure? Azure is a Microsoft product here, more compatible for our .NET applications. And another important thing about the Azure is Azure provides like a free accounts basically for students. I don't know, see, at the time of COVID, if your colleges are done online, and if your college has given you any teams or anything, if you are available, teams, IDs or anything, then you will be having a free account, guys. Then you will be eligible for a free account. Then you will be eligible for a free account. I don't know, test it, whether you are eligible for a free account or not. And very importantly, what I'm trying to tell is, even though that 1 year free account will be available, even though you don't get a 1 year free account, at least you have a 30 days free account available. 30 days free account available, which you can use for testing. Are you getting my point? Okay. So if you are not having this one, you at least have a 30 days free account for testing basically. Are you clearer or not? Okay, 30 days free account is available for you for the testing basically. So no worries, you have a 30 day free account available. So first check for 1 year account. If that is not available, 30 days account is available for all of you. Okay, so you can use that Azure and more compatible for .NET applications. That's the reason for preferring you Azure. So first, login into Azure. Login into Azure. How's there? Portal.azure.com. Portal.azure.com is a website. Yeah, given you the complete step-by-step process how you can publish your application. This is the website, portal.azure.com. So once you open, log in, create an account first. Create an account. I already have an account, guys. Password, forgot to password. Yeah. So once you create an account, there's a dashboard, what you'll get. The first thing you're required to do is you're required to choose a subscription based. What is that? You're required to choose a subscription. What is subscription? Subscription, basically, what is the subscription is? Say, you're taken a mobile connection. A mobile connection. You're going to choose a plan now. You're going to choose a plan now. So that's what we call as a subscription, actually. Okay, you're required to pick a subscription. So what you'll do is go to subscriptions. And once you go to subscription, if you have any subscription already, it will show you here. This is my subscription. I have my own subscription. And what you need to do is you need to click on the add button. And here it is checking your offer eligibility. Because you're a new account, you will be finding out this particular Azure for students option can be available. Just click on the select offer, enter your email ID that earlier what your college has given for Teams. Okay, try that. If you're lucky, 12 months credits are free. 12 months you can use Azure without paying anything. Are you clear? Try your luck. I cannot guarantee you. If this is not there, you'll get this option for everyone. So it is not showing me, I have already used off. That's why it is showing me free trial is disabled. I already used off this offer. So this offer is available for everyone. It's a 30 days trial version. Sorry, 30 days trial. So try Azure for students. If you don't get Azure for students, go for free trial. And once you go for a free trial, once you just use the free trial option, select offer, it'll ask you for a debit or a credit card, guys. Just 2 rupees will be deducted only for confirmation, only for the confirmation. And the money will be returned back to your account. You might be seeing in so many places, a credit card enabling should be done. And within 30 days, you can deactivate your account. Okay, but just to put a reminder, like you're required to deactivate within 30 days. But it will send you mails here before it is going to cut the amount also. It will send you an email. It send you an email. So and so date we will run your account. We will run your account. If you don't want, you can cancel the subscription. Okay, now you can just go and cancel the subscription there. So no problem. So you're required to choose. My account is pay as you go. That account is free for everyone. If you means anyone is working employees, if you can invest, if you're okay for paying the money, you can go for that account called as pay as you go account. And the pay as you go account is only means if you consume anything only, they will charge you. You don't use anything, they won't charge you. I'm maintaining an account from many years. Whenever I just use it, I'll be charged. I'll be getting a monthly bill of 12 rupees, 15 rupees. That's all, not more than that also. Because when I use it only, it will be. Generally, I use it only for showing hosting to you. I'll show you hosting. Once everyone has been understood the concept, immediately I'll delete of that one. Once I delete again, how much time I use? It is like a not like a hourly billing also. It is like secondly billing means based on the seconds we use the service, it will do a bill. So that is one of the good thing what we have. In other things like AWS and all, it's like a daily billing. You use it for 1 hour also, they will bill for the 24 hours. But Azure is not like that one. That is another advantage with Azure. Okay, that is what this is my account. So select offer, and I have an account already. So you can see my subscription, and my subscription is a pay as you go subscription. See, the current cost is 0. I don't, in this billing cycle, I did not use it, and I did not get any money, and I did not get any bill at all. Okay, and you'll find an option, guys, view eligible subscriptions. From there, I think you can verify whether no. Uh, if there are eligible subscriptions, free eligible subscriptions, it will show you here. Okay. So are you clear about subscriptions? Yes or not? So create a subscription first. Create a subscription, everyone. Is my billing. Last bill is 41 rupees. Cost management. You can see everything here. Just explore it. You'll understand what is what. It will clearly tell you all the things to you. Payment methods. I just have a credit card used in my things here. So a credit card is added here. So with this credit card, the amount will be direct from my accounts. Okay. And yeah, you can see like 9th month, I have 11 rupees bill, 11th month, again, 3rd month, and 6th month I have it. Okay, now, fine. So yeah, this is about the subscription. Once your subscription is completed, everything is set ready. Everything is set ready. Now what you can do is come to your Visual Studio. Come to your Visual Studio. And what you'll do is, once build your project, build your solution perfectly, everything correct. So remember your connection string name, constr. Okay, put that in the mind. So you can do everything from Studio only. Right click on the project, and here you'll have an option, publish. Click on the publish. It opens the application, it opens a window and asking you where you wanted to host your application. Azure. Click next. Choose Azure App Service. Publish your application code to a managed infrastructure that is easy to scale. Click next. Here it will ask you for the credentials. It will ask you for the credentials. You created account now, log in with those credentials. Okay. It has authenticated me with my credentials. Okay. It has authenticated with my credentials. So once it is authenticated with your particular credentials, you can see here, because already I kept in my browser, stay signed in. That's it automatically taken off the details from there and authenticated me. Once you come here, what you're required to do is you're required to create an app service here. What is an app service? An app service is nothing but a site. It is nothing but a site. Azure gives you a free domain for testing. Azure gives you a free domain for testing also. Okay. So click on create new. And here it'll ask you what you wanted to have the name of your app service. What do you want to have the name of your app service? Give a meaningful name for it. Any name of your choice. See there, I given the name as NIT Core. Okay, NIT Core. See, name is not available. Name is available. So your domain name will be nitcore.azurewebsites.net. nitcore.azurewebsites.net. That's a free domain what Microsoft offers to you. Then here it is asking you, what's the subscription? Pay as you go. Second, resource group. What is the resource group? Actually, if you see in the portal, you'll find something called as create a resource group. What's a resource group? A resource group is like a container of all your things. Your app service, later on, you're required to go for creating a database server. And on the server, you're required to create a database. All these things you're required to create. Did you understand what I'm telling you? You're required to create a server. On that, you're required to create a database. All these things should be created. So all these things will be stored for you under this resource group. It's like a folder, guys, where everything is stored for you. So it'll ask you for give a name for your resource group. Give a name for your resource group. Click on new button and give a name for your resource group. Any name of your choice. I given a name like NITRG resource group. Give whatever name you like, man. NITRG. Click OK. Next, hosting plan. Now you're required to select the plan model. What do you want to go with? A 399 plan, a 499 plan, a 599 plan. You're required to select the plan now. Okay, hosting plan. So click on the new, and here it will ask you for a hosting plan name. Give a name for it. See, I given the name as NIT HP. And it'll ask you location, where you want to install this. Where you want to install. Randomly, it will pick a location, guys. Randomly, it will pick a location for you. Like where exactly you wanted to host means a server means correctly speaking data center location, that is data center location. So it will randomly pick, but so many locations are there. If you want, you can select whatever you want. You can see Central India is there. So many are there. Even South India will be there. Are you clear? Let it pick a location, whatever it is. Let it pick, no problem here. Pick a location. So this is going to host your things on the Canada Central. Click on, now here, it'll ask you, size. See, you're taking a 399 plan. You get a internet speed of 10 Mbps. Taking a 599 plan, 50 Mbps. 699 plan, 100 Mbps. Like this, we have options. Same way, it is just giving you the options to you. Based on what you select, your billing cycle also will be there. Remember that point. You go with a higher plan, automatically your billing size, it will provide you, say 1.75 GB RAM for your site now, 3.5 GB RAM now, 7 GB RAM, like we have options. See, I think for you, you won't get all these things. Your option, if your free account only will be. Mine is a pay as you go account. Now for me, options are there. But for you, you will be having only a free option, guys. Okay. So whatever is shown there, leave it. Don't touch anything. Whatever is shown there, leave it here. Don't touch anything. Click on OK. Okay. See that. Unique default host name. Uncheck. Okay. Okay. Actually, there is a checkbox here. Uncheck unique default host name means it is checking like do you want Azure to give a host name for you? No, I want a name of my choice. The name is NIT Core, and now it is telling you this name is not available. This name is not available. Let us give some number and check. Okay, this name is available. Just see, guys, trial. Uncheck this and afterwards give a name and click on create. The reason for choosing Sunday for this is like it will be a bit faster in the sense less consumers now. With our internet speed, with our speed, connecting to Azure, we require good speed. It will take time basically. So for that reason, I chosen Sunday. Will be a bit load will be less on the server today. Okay, that's the reason. So it is creating the things for you in the background. So in the background, all these things will be created. If you come to Azure portal and you see the resource groups created, see, it's still going on, created, guys. It has created you the things under that NIT Core 7 is your host name. Click on finish. Once you do that, automatically, yeah, this is your domain name. NIT Core 7.azurewebsites.net. Clear? We are using a database now. We have a database dependency for our application. The database dependency has been identified here already. The database dependency has been identified already, telling you the connection string name is constr. So how it did identify? It read the app settings. It read the app settings. What to do now? Click on, sorry, here you'll find it. You require to create this dependency now. You require to create the dependency. So now in the publish window, it will show all the things. Service dependency option will be there. Click on add new service. There's a SQL Server dependency. So I need to create an SQL Server database also now. Click on this add new service dependency. In this, choose SQL Server database. Yeah. Sorry, Azure SQL database. Choose Azure SQL database. Go for, yeah, Azure SQL database. Okay, this is what. Click on next. Now it's asking you to create the database. Click on create a new SQL database. It'll ask you to provide all the details. Database name, MVC project underscore DB is the database name it is taking. So I think I did not change it, leave the same. Enter name of the database or leave the existing name, no issue. Choose your subscription policy. Resource group automatically taken up. Database server, we need a server now. We need a server now. See, this is a database. Database should be on a server. We need a server. Click on new button. I given everything in detail here. Database server, what you require. Under the sub elements, what to do. I given the server name as NIT DB server. Leave the same also here, no problem. Oh, this is not available. Let's do one thing. Let us use the same, what name it has given. Let me use the same name. Okay. So don't change the name simply. Yeah. Enter a name like or leave the existing. Leave existing name, guys. Don't touch it. Okay, but let us copy this one, all the details. Then it'll ask you for the location where you want Canada. Same thing. Click OK and click on create button. Should ask for credentials and changed. Something changed. It'll ask you for user ID and password. We did not get that option there, no? I think they changed or something. This only said you all these headaches with working with third parties is the UIs will be completely changing continuously. Said your Facebook, Google, all these they will be changing up. We need to always explore and find out the things. Basically, in the real time, we have a customer support for Microsoft. We pay for Microsoft for customer support. And those people will tell us if anything got changed or anything options, all they will tell us. Let us see what happens. Just take a second. Huh? Created. Let us confirm it because not ask for the credentials. It has to ask for the credentials actually. Click on the next button. It is asking for this. Additional settings. We need to give the connection string now, guys. Our connection string name. And this is the value what it is taking. Okay. What's the connection string name? Constr. Already there na. Azure SQL, the process might not prompt for credentials if you're already authenticated with your Azure account. This can happen if you have previously signed into Azure through Visual Studio and your session is still active. Can use your existing credentials to authenticate and create without concern for security prompt. Azure SQL database, Azure credentials and Visual Studio. Then what is it asking for? Why is this asking for this? Is it taking? Just a minute. It is installing NT framework. It is trying to install, but telling you already I found it because we already installed SQL Server, NT framework tools, configured, close. Just a minute. Here in the more actions, you'll find an option called edit. It is discovering our context information. Why did it take a new one? Asking use this connection string at runtime. I given all check the checkbox. Use this connection string at runtime, and asking for the NT framework migrations. We have a data con migrations now. Apply these migrations and publish. These checkboxes. Use this connection string at runtime. Apply this migrations on publish. Click save. Still, I'm concerned about it. It should not add like this. It should take this only now. Did it change it? Anything in the code? Let us try. Click on the publish button. Let us see what happens. Options are changed here. Actually, earlier it used to ask the user ID password. After that, our connection string name, user details, all the things it used to ask. And then we click on publish. But some options, let us see. Application will host. I'm concerned about the database on whether it will take or not, because we given a new name for that constr again, constr1. Publishing. Failed. As well, value data source is not a valid connection string or an absolute path. Okay, it is asking. Okay, sign in Azure, create a new project. All we have done. You can create a database using the Azure portal or through Visual Studio. Connect. Once the database is created, navigate to the database blade in Azure portal and copy the edu.net connection string. Okay. So it is telling like once the database is created, just a minute. These are SQL Server database created, right? So here it is telling you navigate to the databases. The Azure, and here it should find edu.net connection string. And then see connection string. Yeah. edu.net SQL authentication. But we don't have username password now. NT framework. Short work. Just a minute, guys. Copy. Come back to your application. Let me try, guys. Once we see. Options are changed off. The transform app settings tags failed unexpectedly. Let's ask ChatGPT. Project includes app settings, yes. Web.config, no. Don't have web.config, right? Yeah, not using it directly, the SDK might expect it. Did I use Newtons of anywhere? A transformation setting, then trigger the task. I will review. Build failed. Where it is using JSON serialize. Yeah. Oh, it has written all these things here. It made some changes. Wait, it will only analyze and tell you all. Correct example, how it should be. Okay. Problematic JSON is pasted. Corrected version. Why it added all these things? This is the value, right? Okay, got it. Okay. It is dividing all these words here. Authentication is equals to active directory. When I copy pasted, it broke the values like this. No, actually, I copied this value now. It has used a double code there because it used a double code. It considered like separate words and paste it. Okay, let us see. Let's fix it. Once go for clean, build, publish. NT skill scripts completed successfully. Basically, here only again. Enable migration publishing results expects a connection string that uses SQL or Windows integration, but managed identity is not supported. Disable migration and publish. If you don't need if core migration, publish profile, uncheck apply this migration. SQL authentication temporary. And update the complete nodes. I'll do it, but let me do it. I'm also okay. Settings. Right. SQL. Set SQL Server admin login. Server name. Server, right? Settings. SQL authentication is there here. Configure network access. Connected to application. See connection string. Solutions are here. Right click on the solution, it will upload you the whole, all the projects. Where is that option? What it is telling? No need international transaction option. No need international transaction option, man. Left hand side settings, SQL authentication. Is our server. Don't have this option at all. Nah? What option is talking about? When you create a Azure SQL database, Microsoft skill with you created the server with SQL authentication. To directory admin under settings. Settings. Okay, just a second, guys. It is telling to create database. Telling to create database from Azure directly. Think the settings have been changed. It is asking to create the database from Azure. Just a minute. Go to SQL databases. Click delete. Delete it. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay. Asking to delete everything. Okay. Create source SQL server. Fine. Create RG database name. Here we have that option. Just a minute. NIT Core TV. Or the okay. Server name. Actually, earlier in the already in use. Deleted, na? Okay. Does not have access to create server in the selected location. Here we have use SQL authentication. Asking for username and password. Give a name. Actually, the password and username have combination values. So if you see that, some password rules, guys, which should be satisfied. I given you, it should be uppercase, numerics, lowercase combination should be there. Minimum lengths and all. Choose your PITR, LTR replicated your restore outage. The backup store can be configured. This configuration is not applicable for named replicas. Review. Is it asking to pay this much amount? Computer cost is 26,000. Oh God. Okay. Start a free trial option. Okay. A free trial option. We did not check it out. It's a free trial option. Otherwise, it's asking to pay 22,000. Okay, guys. Canada. I'll update the notes. Don't worry. I'll update. Auto pass. If free trial limit is reached, the database will not be in auto pass. Okay, fine. No problem because right now, anyhow, we are going to delete off the database once everything is created. Okay, the current cost. Click on create. Earlier, all these options used to be directly in the studio only, in that window only. When I create the database, I used to get all the options, like to enter my credentials and all. But from studio, those options are removed, it seems now. Created a deployment in progress. Notifications window will there. In that, you will be seeing up all the information. I said you this, it's a lucky hour. If it happens correctly, within 30 minutes, 40 minutes, will be done. All problems, new things they introduced. Earlier, the process is very simple. Directly in studio only, you can configure of the database, everything, and it used to work off. So what the advantage for us in the real time is we get direct Microsoft support. They will assign a support guy, and those people know everything. They will just guide us. They will guide us, okay. And also, we have contract with them. We have contract. All these things they will create and provide the information. We directly use the connection string in the code and write of the things. We don't bother about all these things. There'll be a separate guy who will be dealing with Azure. It's one of a very hot topic subject here. Azure data engineer. Very hot cake subject in the market today. Azure data engineers. Still going? Deployed. Fine. Databases. Hey, where is it? We have it now. Settings, connection strings. Not this. This is my server. Database name. You already. Password. What are the password we used? Copy. Apps settings. Yeah, someone asking the question, sir, if I have multiple projects, what can I do? Directly right click on the solution, man. You can publish the solution. All projects will be uploaded. Multiple projects are there, directly upload the solution. That's it. Publish the solution. Let's hope nothing fails. Scripts are generated. Migrations are getting applied. We can test it like this. Actually, we created the server now. We can configure that server from our SQL server directly. From our management studio, we can connect to that. Just a minute. Uh, Again, failed. Why it is taking this? Okay, just a minute. Edit. Was using the old connection string. Array. Again, problem. Why still it using this one? Appropriate permissions. Managed identity, go connect Azure SQL drivers without secrets. Why I want this? Non-editable. Not able to change this. Just a minute. connected. Fine. Here, edit. User ID, password, all good. Discovering the context. Apply this migration. So again, using just a minute. Here only it is failing always. Retrying, but not able to connect. Attempting to connect. National App Services first level. App deploy. May not be responding. The app management service might be responding or misconfigured. Fixes. Go to Azure, no to your app service, click restart. App service. The home site double development. Where is the option first? Just a minute here. Let us connect from our studio to verify whether it's working correctly. You can connect from here directly in the server name. You can give the server name, what we have created. This is our server name. And authentication details, enter the details. NIT admin. An instance specific error. Public network access is set. Okay. Navigate to SQL Server. Lot of headaches. Where? Security. Hey, don't find an option here. Networking. This one. Configure. Public access is disabled. Change public network access to selected networks. Add your IP address to the firewall rules. Save. This is our database. It's failing while creating the tables here. No tables are created right now. Okay, let us try again after doing all these changes. If that is done over here, everything is ready. If that just that step is failing, the database creation step is failing. A lot of changes. Again, same problem. Retrying, retrying. First your process, client IP address. We given access, right? Oh, 130.107.26. As Copilot correctly again will face problems. So telling you, go to Azure portal, SQL Server, security, click add client IP. Already there. Asking to wait 2 to 5 minutes. Okay, guys, take a break for 10 to 15 minutes. We'll see it. It's asking to wait. All the process, what I said is same, man. Only thing is the database creation only. I will update the notes for you. Let the site run. I'll update the steps for you.